And now let's get into the actual skill for this video, how to identify types of bonds. The easiest way to identify types of bonds is to use the periodic table, but look at it as a separation of left and right using this kind of black staircase here. Metals on the periodic table will be everything to the left of that staircase, except for hydrogen. Hydrogen's kind of weird. Non-metals will be on the right side, and we count hydrogen as a non-metal. And there are a few yellow metalloids here. Those are elements that don't really fit into either category. Our rule for identifying types of bonds using this kind of left-right idea is that an ionic bond is formed when we combine an atom from the left with an atom from the right. If we combine a metal on the left with a non-metal on the right. Some examples would be lithium and nitrogen or magnesium and oxygen. Notice that these metals and non-metals together, they're going to be our ionic bonds. Our covalent bonds are formed between only non-metals. So for instance, if we look at C and O, notice that they're both on the right side, so that would be a covalent bond. So which kind of bond will the following combinations of elements form? Try to find them. If you'd like to pause the video and try to do this on your own, feel free. And I will now go through these. If we look at sulfur and fluorine here, if we find them on the periodic table, we'll see they are both on the right side. They're both nonmetals, and therefore these make a covalent bond. Magnesium and bromine. Find magnesium here on the left. We find bromine here on the right. Because it's a mix, these are going to be ionic. And aluminum and oxygen. Aluminum is just to the left of that staircase, and oxygen is to the right. So because it's a mix, we're going to say it's ionic. So altogether, sulfur and fluorine are covalent, magnesium and bromine are ionic, and aluminum and oxygen, because they're on both sides, are ionic.